Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys a tutorial on how to carve your eyebrows with just my blade, razor blade. It's a new one actually, razor blade and a spoolie brush. Look there, razor blade. So let's get straight into the video. So actually guys, I like to break my blades into two because I find it more easier to use half of it than the full. So guys, I already cut my blade into two and this is what it looks like, half blade. So right now I have a mirror by my side, so I'm going to be using my mirror so I won't cut myself guys. So let's go. First off, I'm going to brush up my brow hairs like so. Then we start off by trimming the upper parts like this. Like, always be careful whenever you're doing this yourself, because yeah, it's really risky. If you're not being careful, you might cut yourself up. So what I do is I'm actually just using the blade to trim off the excess hairs on the top of my brows. Like, I'm doing that so carefully. So I'm just going to follow the lines. I just carve it the way to the shape I want my brows to look like. You get what I mean? So guys, as we all can see, there's already a difference. There's already difference in this brow and this brow. So right now, after we've trimmed the excess hair at the top, I'm going to brush down, and then also we trim the hairs at the bottom line. So let's go gently guys. You do not want to make mistakes and cut up yourself. Do this carefully, nobody's chasing you and nobody's gonna know how many minutes you take in doing this, because you're doing it yourself. So I'm just going to emphasize more on this part. As you can see, so guys, yeah guys, I think I am okay with the way it is now. So let's do the second one guys. So guys, we're going to do this other part now. I've brushed up my hairs with a spoolie brush like we did on the first part, and then let's go ahead to cut off the excess. Yes, brush down the hairs like we did before, and then we cut off the excesses. So guys, yeah, this is the final look, guys. This is the final look. This is what I was able to achieve by myself, like my brows. You guys could see the before and the after. Look how it looks like. Actually, when you carve your brows, even without doing makeup, you look nice naturally. So yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, I hope you gained something from this video. I hope by now you can try carving your brows by yourself. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The subscribe button is around this corner, so please subscribe. Don't forget to leave a comment on whatever your opinion is, then I will be glad to reply to your comments. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.